This is Akshat Shah from Shubham Incorporated. I am the sales manager at Shubham Incorporated. We are the leading manufacturer in water and wastewater treatment system, and we provide end-to-end solution from design, supply, installation, testing, commissioning, from installation, testing, commissioning to O&M for the all water and wastewater treatment plants. Since 2006, our company has a very good experience in of 18 to 20 years, and we have done almost 750 plus projects. Our main objective to come at Pharma Expo is for the exposure to the pharma industries, as we are catering up LM Pharma and Punishka Pharma and Zidas. So we wanted to cater up this opportunity to come into the Pharma Tech, and we got the reference and the result was very good. The visitors were good. There were actually the pharma industrial persons were here, and as well as a visitor as well as exhibitor also. And from the exhibitors team, the support was very good. The coordination and everything was very good. Thank you, PharmaTech.